On the way. Nina's here, is that right?
It is. Tonight we could see more of those flashes of lightning, heavy rain as well. At the moment that system is just sitting to the west of us, and of course the low pressure was to the west of us all weekend, so we escaped the showers and we stayed dry. But here it was, the lightning moving its way northeast during the early hours. We did start the day dry, but with low pressure heading its way, we also had a red sky this morning, a sign of things being much more unsettled through this week. We will see some further showers, but despite that, when we saw the sunshine coming through this afternoon, it really did feel quite warm out there. And a warm evening to come tonight, but then as we go into the early hours, we've already talked about the fact that there could be some further heavy showers or thunderstorms, and we'll continue with that chance as we go through much of this week. The detail is always difficult, and we'll just need to take things day by day. But there we go, that cluster of downpours moving their way northeastwards into the early hours. It should start tomorrow morning dry with temperatures at around about 14 to 15 degrees. So it is another fairly warm start to tomorrow morning. Possibly a little bit of mist around, but the first part of the day is expected to be dry with some sunshine. Then the cloud will build and will increase the chance of perhaps some heavy downpours pushing their way northeastwards. But of course, with showers, not everywhere will see them. For some, it will still stay dry. Temperatures a little down on today's values, not too far off average though, 20 to 22 degrees. The showers are expected just to intensify as we go through tomorrow evening. One or two will take us into the early hours of Wednesday morning with some clearer spells in between. And again, those temperatures holding up by night at around 13 to 15 degrees. For Wednesday, perhaps a more classic day with some sunny spells, a few showers moving their way through on a fairly stiff southwesterly breeze as well, so they shouldn't last too long, and we'll get some sunnier spells in between with those temperatures still at around about 19 to 20 degrees. Here is the low that's bringing the rather unsettled weather, but it should push its way eastwards through Friday and into the weekend, and then we just start to get a ridge of high pressure again. Uncertainty in the exact timing of when those showers clear away, but at the moment, after a pretty unsettled week, we're expecting the dry weather to return as we look to Saturday and Sunday, but it could be another rather noisy night ahead.
Oh lordy, thanks.